Hello everyone, and welcome back to your training videos. In this video, you'll learn what you can see and do on the calendar. So, to get to the calendar, you'll be in the Home tab, and then click on Calendar. On the left side of the screen, we have the month that you are currently in. You could jump to a particular date, and depending on the day, week, or month view, it will either show that day, the week that that day appears on, or the month that that day appears on. So you can also jump back to today, and you'll get back to whichever is the default view you have chosen. We have 3 different filter types on the bottom left side. This is very handy if you have many different types of classes, events, facility, or trainer appointments. For example, if you only want to see one event, you can do so. If you just want to see the events in one facility, you can do so by choosing the facility that you want to see. Also, for those of you that are renting out your spaces for appointment bookings, you can see the booked appointments, the free appointments, or you can even show all. Similarly, you can choose to see only a particular trainer's schedule, as well as the appointments if they do one-to-one bookings by clicking on Display Booked, Display Non-Booked, or Show All. Please note that Display Booked is the default view for appointments for both trainers and facilities. As I mentioned, you can choose between the day view, the week view, or the month view. You can also create a single instance of a class on an ad hoc basis if you need to, as well as a single instance of a one-to-one session with a trainer or an appointment with facilities. So that is everything that you can see on the calendar on an overview basis. You can also click into a particular class. Once you click into the class, you will be able to see the class list, who's booked in, the waiting list, who might have canceled, and perform all the other actions necessary. To learn more about what you can do in this view, make sure to watch all of the videos in the Managing Your Studio course. See you there.